Welcome to Automation with Ansible course module. My name is Shikhar Verma and I would be the instructor for this complete course module. I have total 12 years of IT industry experience and had been the part of many MNCs and global projects. My primary skills are Linux, Ansible, shell scripting and Perl, and my secondary skills are HP Unix, AIX and Solaris. So on the basis of my technical skills and many years of experience, I have designed this course module, that is Ansible, and it is purely based on Red Hat training book. And believe me, it would be worth course module if you are looking to understand Ansible and want to get some exposure of Ansible, because I have included so many labs and industrial projects from IT environment. Learning Ansible is not a big task. The big task is how to get the exposure of Ansible. So in this course module, you will get a clear exposure of Ansible because of so many industrial projects I have included in this course module. In any organization or environment, we have seen that there are many tasks which we usually do it manually. So our primary focus in this course module to understand how we can automate those tasks and make our environment free from manual interventions. So friends, what is the prerequisite for this course module? Any graduate students, they can be the part of this course module. Basic computer understanding and basic English understanding. No previous knowledge of any automation tool is required, but it is good enough if you have a knowledge of any operating system, preferably Linux. You will be guided step by step from the beginning and gradually makes you comfortable in understanding automation with Ansible. So I have started this course module from the very basic and will have a lot of theoretical sessions with lab. This is a complete course module of learning Ansible, and after the completion of this course, you can start doing automate the administrative task in your organization. Let's have a look of what are the course contents we are going to cover in this complete course module. We'll start with the basic introduction of Ansible, overview of Ansible, what is the concepts, what is the architecture of Ansible, how the Ansible communicates from your control node to your client machines, and the installation. So all these things we'll understand in the introduction of Ansible, and then we'll understand the deploying, how we can deploy the Ansible. In any organization, we have to understand how many Ansible servers are required, what are the clients. So everything we'll understand the installation of Ansible, the deployment of Ansibles in this course section. Next, we'll start understanding how we can implement the playbooks, writing YAML files, a lot of practice sessions, small projects, small playbooks we will be understanding in this course module, so that you will have a better understanding of the Ansible. So this is an important course section of this course module. And then we'll understand various terminology like variables, inclusions, tags. So all these things we'll understand in this course section, like managing variables, managing facts, managing inclusions. And the next section we'll understand implementing task control, constructing flow control, implementing handlers. So all these things we'll understand in this course section. And then we'll understand Ansible rules. This is an important topic to understand. If you'll go some bigger playbooks, bigger tasks you have to do it, so it should be properly managed and constructive way. So for that you have to understand how to implement the roles. So we'll have a lot of theoretical sessions and lab session on this role topic. And then we'll start some small industrial projects. So I have started with how to automate user administrative tasks using Ansible playbooks with shell scripting. So we'll not much focus on shell scripting, but basically in this course module we'll focus on the Ansible playbooks. So if you want to automate your environment, so you should have the knowledge of shell scripting as well. Then only you can do the proper automation. So in this course module you will understand what are the different automation tasks that you can perform with the help of Ansible. So simple user administration, lab on user administration using Ansible playbook, and we'll understand how to complete automate user administrative tasks using Ansible playbook with shell scriptings. We'll have a will show you the industrial life overview of automation tool, what sort of a tool we can create with the Ansible and shell scripting. So there are two labs we have. One is the industrial user lab 1 and 2, so that you can have a good exposure on Ansible. And automate patching on multiple Linux servers. If you want to do patching in your environment, so you can do with the Ansible as well. So we'll understand what is Linux patching all about, and after that how we can do the automation of patching. So this is what we have discussed. There are so many lectures on this patching part, how to automate the patching part using Ansible. Okay, so friend, that's all for this course module. Hope you will going to gain a lot of new knowledge in this course module, and believe me, that would be a worth course for you. So thanks for watching.